Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini on your S25 Ultra. First, make sure your device is running the most current software. Then, head over to the Google Play Store and download the Gemini application. Once installed, simply open the app and sign in using your Google account. This quick setup process ensures you have full access to all of Gemini's powerful features right on your phone, ready for immediate use. Once Gemini is set up, interacting with it is straightforward. You can open the dedicated app or use a convenient shortcut for quick access. Gemini responds to both your voice commands and typed text, making it versatile for any situation. Feel free to ask it questions, request summaries of long articles, or even have it generate creative content like poems or emails. It's designed to be your personal AI assistant. Gemini offers more than just basic interactions. It seamlessly integrates with other Google services, providing a richer experience. You can upload images directly to Gemini for analysis, asking it to identify objects or provide context. For more complex needs, Gemini excels at problem-solving and brainstorming, helping you organize thoughts or develop new ideas. It's a powerful tool for both everyday tasks and more intricate projects. To get the most out of Gemini, a few tips can help. Always try to be as specific as possible with your prompts. Clear instructions lead to better outcomes. Don't hesitate to experiment with various types of queries, from factual questions to creative writing, to discover its full range. Finally, remember to keep your Gemini app updated. New features and improvements are frequently released, enhancing your overall experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.